It was a really lively conversation today with quite a few areas that we went into, and that's what's good about these virtual roundtables. We were looking at API security, and we were looking at the skills. So whether it is a move to the cloud, whether it's a born in the cloud, whether it's a move to API, whether it's a start with microservices, there was two areas of the skills discussion that came up. One is the skills for your staff. Can you get and retain the staff you need to live in the cloud service providers API world and the re-engineering of workloads to run in cloud environments? And the next area where we talked about skills was when you get the external team in to do what used to be penetration testing. So when you get your external pen testers in, we were saying that people in the group had needed to vet the testers for API skills, because APIs are not just a straight web application. I'd found they had a vetting process for their API testers. One other area we went into was the user experience. And for there, we talked about the idea of ramping up a risk-based questions that you might ask the user depending on what they wanted to do. There were a couple of surprises in the conversation, some really interesting directions that we went in, and a couple of things that stood out for me. One was just the sheer scale in the growth of online trading during the first bit of lockdown. So companies, digital platforms had to be ready for 2, 3, 4, 5 times the volume they were used to. And with that, the percentages of problems, percentage of errors, percentage of fraud, they might be very small numbers, but if your volumes are going up, then the losses to fraud are going up. So it's all in the numbers.